Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video. This is basically just covering directions for how to do the multiplying fractions puzzle. Okay, you're doing this after you take your retest today. So when you get it, it will be 2 pages. Okay, that star right there is our key as to where we start with our puzzle pieces. So that's gonna be your starting piece. So you will cut out the piece with the star, and then it gets placed right here. Okay, so you're going to match your stars up. It should look just like that. So this is basically starting off showing us how to do our work, what problems we need to work on. Okay, so for this first piece, now do not go and glue all of these down before you work them out. Okay, because you're going to end up not getting something right, and then you're not going to be able to take it apart. Okay, so make sure you work them out first. Okay, so I'm gonna start you off a little bit. Okay, remember for 1/3 times 1/2, and I'm gonna turn my paper so you can see it better. Remember, we're just multiplying numerators and then multiplying denominators. So 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. So we're looking for a puzzle piece that has 1/6. Now notice you have pieces with problems, and then you have pieces with only answers. So we're not looking for a puzzle piece with multiplication problems. We're looking for a puzzle piece with only answers, and we're looking for one that has 1/6. That's going to be right here. So then we cut our piece out. Oop. And then we match it up. Okay, so remember, when you're looking at the numbers, because some people get the 9s and the 6s mixed up, when you're looking at the numbers, okay, this right here is a 9. This right here is a 6. So you're going to put the 6, the 1/6, matched up with that problem. Okay, so you have a problem and then an answer. Okay, so then down here on the bottom, remember when we multiply by a whole number, you have a foldable in your notebook that shows you exactly how to multiply fractions by different types of numbers. See, here's a fraction times a fraction right here. Oh, it's almost the same problem, very similar. Okay, then you have a fraction times a whole number. It says we have to put the whole number over 1 so that we can make it a fraction. Use your notes on this. Okay, use your notes. Okay, so this becomes, and I'm just going to write it on here. It doesn't matter because we're going to cover it up. So 5/8 times 2/1. Okay, remember we want to try to cross cancel if we can. So there's not a number that goes into both 5 and 1, but there is a number that goes into both 2 and 8, and it is 2. Okay, 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So now I can just multiply across. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so we're still not quite done. We need to simplify this. Okay, this is, let's see, 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over. So your answer should be either 5/4 or 1 1/4. So now we go back to our answer sheet. Nope, not here. And not here. Oh, here it is right here. They did leave it as an improper fraction. So there is 5/4. So we take our scissors and we cut it out. And then we glue 5/4 just like that. So we match the answer with the problem. So now I'm going to leave you to work out the rest of these. Now they're going to be a little bit tricky because look, all you have is answers to go off here. So you're going to have to work out problems until you end up getting 1/64, and that's going to go here, 9 9/10, and then 2/50 as an answer. So start by working them out, okay? If you need extra scratch work, you can always, or extra space for scratch work, excuse me, you can always use the next page in your notebook that is available, and it should be page 42. Okay, so right across from that foldable, you need to work your problems out over here so that you can create your puzzle. This is going to be a little bit tricky. I expect for it to be a little bit challenging. Not everything can be super easy. So once you think you have it done, let me take a look at it, and then if I tell you you're good, then you can glue it down, and then you'll trim it out and put it in your notebook, okay? But you need to have it cleared, and we say that it's okay before you glue these pieces down, because if you don't have them in the right place and you don't show your work, we're going to make you go back and do them. You need to make sure that you're doing your work correctly, okay? Do not glue these down until your teacher has signed off on your work, okay? No exceptions, no excuses. So you guys have a great day, and please let us know if you have questions. Bye.